I leave it up to Congress. And sabi ko lang sa kanila what I think. Yeah. Okay.
Sir, but
Sila yung magpapasa ng batak sa...
personally, sir, what's your opinion about it?
Now it's not the right time to do it.
Sec, just to
But I believe in light at the end of the tunnel.
Sec,
So maybe in the future, when your debt to GDP is much lower, we can consider it. Yes.
Sec, did you mean po that you expect that we will hit the low end of our GDP target this year, this 2025?
Chances are, yeah.
Sec, just to follow up lang po, since the day is also looking into the farm to market roads,
But
yung
we're doing a
ano,
catch-up plan. Huh? We're also doing a catch-up plan. Assisting our farmers, especially today na mababa ang presyo ng palay sa farm gate, among others. Yeah.
Sec, just going back na po dun sa farm to market roads na iniimbestigahan din ng DA, does the DOF already factored that in na po sa outlook ninyo with the growth and others?
I think generally there will be a slowdown in spending. So the challenge is how do we ensure that it doesn't slow that much. Okay, so that's what we're working on right now.
Sec, on revenue lang, you've mentioned earlier na mahihit yung revenue target for this year on the back of
That's
higher
correct.
non-tax revenues. Pero how
That's
about the
correct.
BIR and BOC, sir?
There's a slight reduction, but again, the most important thing is we will hit our revenue target this year.
Pati po yung dalawang agencies na yun? Or
No, they will
meron
miss their targets a bit. Like I said, it will be taken up by the non-tax revenue. Ergo, we will hit our total revenue targets this year.
And sir, the reason for not
The
hitting
problem
those...
is on the spending side, not on the revenue side.
Sec, yung
The
pag-slow
corruption
down
on
ng
the spending side, yeah.
Yung binanggit yung pag-slow down ng economy.
Factor din na yun. We will collect the revenue target this year.
But meron pa ang way na ma-salvage natin.
Ang alin. Yes, we're working on that. Doon sa catch-up plan natin. Okay, so we're meeting, the economic managers are meeting with the key departments to ensure that that spending doesn't slow down too fast. Yeah.
Sure, about yung sa growth revision po, possible po ba sa next DPCC meeting magkakaroon ng growth revision since marami po nangyari both locally?
Wala pa, we haven't spoken with the DBCC yet. We will cross the bridge when we get there. Yeah.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, magkano na po yung revenue collection ng BIR and BOC as of end September?
Nasa folder ko.
Pa-share
Hindi
naman.
ko tanda. Hindi ko tanda.
Pero sir, what's the emerging
Double digit pa rin. Double digit pa rin ang growth. So year end is whatever. What was the collection? I think 4.5. Mali. 4.5 trillion minus 360. Yun ang collection ng BIR POC. More or less.
Sec, kailangan pa yung unprogrammed funds talaga?
Yun, natatandaan ko yung equation.
Yung unprogrammed funds, sir, kailangan talaga?
Well, ang binanggit ko kanina, frankly speaking, hindi dapat ganun kalaki ang program. Lagi tayong tutol dyan. Nung nandito ako sa Senado, ang nanawaan ko dyan, dalawa siguro pwede. Yung mga calamity katulad ito, pwede ang program fund na para supplemental budget. Okay. Bigyan mo ng discretion ng Pangulo sa mga ganyan. Katulad kayo, maraming sakuna. So dapat mabilis ang response ng gobyerno. So pwede siguro ang program dyan. No? Isa ko na naman, hindi mo mapaprogram lahat yan dahil di mo alam kung kailan darating di ba? Kaya ang program, isa yan. Pangalawa, yung foreign assisted projects that did not make it during the preparation of the budget. Palagay ko, dapat isama din yan. Yun lang, yung dalawa.
Anong safeguards para hindi siya ma-abuse?
Iline item mo. As much as you can.
Pwede palang i-line item, sir?
As much as you can. Yung ano lang, yung sakuna, hindi mo malaline item. Di ba?
Sec, earlier you flagged the...
Parang calamity fund.
Pero sir, as much as how much? Yung sinasabi ng ideal ng program?
There is no hard and fast rule. Walang rule yan. A good rule dati, sa Batangas, so si Bine, governor, nung una pa rin, governor siya pa rin ngayon. Kami, ang ginagawa dati doon is mga 5%. Pero masyado malaki naman ang 5% for the national government. That's all.
So do you think how much?
I don't know. Maybe somewhere there. Something like that. You can put Yun natin a benchmark siguro. Something that we can look into. Yeah.
2%.
Maybe.
Earlier you flagged the possible re-escalation of the US-China trade tensions.
Yes.
And you said na pwedeng matamaan yung current account balance and all because exporters could take a hit. So I'm just thinking if the government is planning any stimulus to help the exporters weather the
Everything is incorporated in the budget already for 2026.
So no stimulus for them, sir.
The budget itself is a stimulus because you still have a deficit of 5.2%. That is a stimulus. That's still a stimulus.
So may initial assessment kayo on how the economy fared in third
Wala pa.
quarter?
The data will come out on
November 7.
ayun. So, hindi
Sir,
natin
but will it
alam.
be below 5.5%?
Hard to tell. First week of November.
Sir, yung interest spending, nakikita niyo po ba na pababa pa rin po siya? Magko-contract pa rin po siya until the end of the year?
Siguradong pababa. It will definitely contract next year. Magkano ang DPWH budget in 2025, magkano naman next year. Although we cut it also this year by at least 100 billion, there will be a bigger cut next year. So there will be a contraction.
Ano ma-offset it? Kung 2026 po, mas mababa na yung interest spending. Ano pong gagawin ng government to offset that?
We're spending it on education, on healthcare, so that's part of the equation.
Sir, with lower government spending for
And then bibilis naman yung spending sa DOTR. So hopefully that compensates.
Yung sa catch-up plan is meant to boost the, compensate the slowdown in interest spending. You mentioned about the catch-up plan kanina sa that includes assisting farmers. Can you give us more?
Yes, so halimbawa, yung mga farmers natin ngayon, alam naman natin na mababa yung farm gate prices nila. I think there is a computation that assuming tariffs, we're not increasing tariffs, but assuming tariffs are increased to 35%, what would those farm gate price of palay look like? Maybe we can paint in the difference. Kasama